Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wolfman Walsh here, and if you can hear that noise in the background, it's a beautiful day outside, so I thought I'd have the garage open, nice natural light, and that wonderful ambiance you hear is the neighbor mowing the leaves. So yeah, good times. Anyway, here tonight, today, this afternoon, whatever time it is, we have the new TwoSun. Y'all saw the short of this, the unboxing, so we'll just go ahead and get rid of the box. Here it is. Oh, it looks so good. The TwoSun TS59. All right, so the TS59, look at that. That thing just looks mean and awesome. Complete milled titanium handle, titanium pocket clip, D2 on the blade. That is a thick stock right there. Look at that. Not the sliciest thing, not a a Scandi grind or anything like that. Nothing super thin. It is a compound grind, I believe, but this thing will cut. And it will stab, obviously. This is a Wong design. I don't know Wong. It is a frame lock. Works pretty well. It took me a couple of days to get used to how to open this thing because I was putting my resting fingers on the lock face itself, so I was having a hard time getting it open. But now that I figured out where to place my fingers on the backside, I actually dropped my fingers down onto the pocket clip and it just flies open. Now you see that TwoSun design right there on the blade, in case I missed that earlier. And there's that Wong design, D2 on the steel. Yeah, what else can I say about this? It's 8 inches overall. The blade length is 3.6 inches. It is 4.5 ounces. It's not too bad for the size that it is. It's the only thing I carried today. I went single blade, so I don't think I have anything to compare it to. No, I don't. So I was showing this thing off to a friend of mine at work, and I already knew where I was going with the conversation, and she beat me to it. This thing very much gives me Demon Slayer vibes. Hopefully you all know what Demon Slayer is. If you don't, it is an anime. I'd say one of the most popular ones right now. You can fight me in the comments about that, but I don't know. If this was like 3 foot long, I could see Tanjiro or Inosuke or somebody wielding this blade here. Sorry. It's shiny, it's distracting. I had to talk about it and I see it. I'm like, oh, man, it looks good. This was an inebriation purchase. Enzo and I were playing Dominion one night, listening to some music, and it was his turn. And I think his turn had a lot of steps in it. So I was like, I'm just going to look on Instagram real quick and see what's going on in the Instagram world. And White Mountain Knives popped up. And this was what was being shown on their page. So you can see it here. So I was following along in the video and was just inebriated enough that I was like, man, Enzo, look at this. And he's like, dude, that's badass. And I was like, I know. So I just scrolled over, hit the website, and then hit, buy now. So I think it was $89 plus tax. And for titanium and D2, I'm going to say that's okay. I'm okay with that. I mean, there's some knives that I've seen out there right now in D2 that are going for a lot more than that for some reason. But for a TwoSun, completely milled, nice titanium handle, and D2, I'll pay $89. That's totally fine. This is my first TwoSun. Enzo has a TwoSun. He's done a takedown talk video about that one before. So this is my first TwoSun knife. The pin that I carry, that bolt action pin, is actually a TwoSun as well. So what do y'all think about this thing? It's man, it's awesome looking. This little nub right here along the back ridge, interesting little design. You know, it keeps it from being completely sleek all the way across the top. Just gives it that little ridge. There's no jumping on it. It's completely smooth. So, you know, I guess that's just a design by Mr. Wong. So yeah, I guess I can show you that. Hang on, let me grab something real quick. Okay, so this clip right here is just so tight. I mean, even with my fingernails, I struggle to pull it up enough. So when I'm trying to put it in my pants pocket, it won't clip on its own. So I've basically been carrying it in my my fifth pocket, my coin pocket. But if I don't, I'll have to take a car key or another knife and just ever so slightly just pry it up to get my pants on it, which is just silly that I have to do that to get it clipped. So that's why I've been primarily putting it in the fifth pocket. So what do y'all think about this? Anybody else have a TS59? Do they have the same, I don't want to call it an issue, but the same issue with the pocket clip being as stiff as it is? Other than that, it's a very nice design. It's a very nice knife. The opening is very smooth. It's not fast. That CGRB resource like flies open. It feels assisted, but it's not. This is just smooth. It's a smooth action. The TwoSun TS59. Hope you all are having a wonderful day, enjoying this nice little bit of warm weather before fall or second fall or first winter or whatever's coming around the corner kicks in. So until then, I guess me and Tanjiro here, we're going to take it easy, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.